Hi, welcome to another video of Discounts series. In this video we will get Wondershare Recoverit coupon code 2023. So, before we start you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon, so you never miss any update from CB9 in future. First of all, go to crafttail.pk website. Click on Deals and Coupons button. Link is in description. Click on Wondershare Store and find Wondershare Recoverit coupon. Right-click on it and open it in new tab. Here you will find all detail of Wondershare Recoverit coupon. Now click on Click to Reveal button and copy the code. Close the pop-up. Under Important Links, find your relevant plan which you want to buy. You can also learn more about plans by clicking on the button below. Once you choose the plan, click on that link. Now under Coupon box, paste the copied code and click Apply. Congratulations! You have successfully saved 20% off Wondershare Recoverit. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe CB9.